In the system of equations above, k is a constant and x and y are variables. For what value of k will the system of equations have no solution? Now you have to know that if a system of linear equations has no solutions, that means two lines are parallel, and two lines never cross each other, because where two lines cross, you have a solution for system of linear equations. But since these two lines are parallel, they'll just never cross each other on an xy plane. So for these two lines to be parallel, we need the slope of the first line to be equal to the slope of the second line, and we need their y-intercepts to be different. So this will be b2 and this will be b1, and therefore slope of the first line is equal to slope of the second line, but the y-intercept of the first line does not equal to the y-intercept of the second line when the linear equation is written in its general form, y is equal to mx plus b. Okay, so now let's take a look right here. And we have our two lines, but they're not written in the original form. They are written in the form ax plus by is equal to c. And so we need to change this. So let's first of all take a look at the first equation right here. Let's rearrange and solve for y. Negative 3y is equal to negative kx plus 4. And let's divide everything by negative 3. Y is equal to 1 over 3 kx minus 4 over 3. This is our first line. Now let's look at the second line right here, the second equation. 4x minus 5y is equal to 7. And so let's again solve for y. Leave negative 5y alone first. Negative 5y is equal to negative 4x plus 7. And divide everything by negative 5. Y is equal to 4 over 5x minus 7 over 5. So this is the equation of our second line. Now I would like you to pay attention at the slope of the first line and the slope of the second line. We said for these two lines to have no solutions and therefore never cross each other, we need the same slope. And therefore we must equate those two slopes. So let me equate 1 over 3k to 4 over 5. And these two slopes are now equal. Now let me solve for what k must be for these two slopes to be equal. K is equal to, let's multiply both sides by 3, 12 over 5. And therefore when k is equal to 12 over 5, the two slopes of two lines are going to be equal, and therefore these two lines will be parallel and never cross each other. So the system of those linear equations will never have solution. Therefore choice A is the correct one.